Díomh a fáistí conas atá sibh maidin. Now, our question for today, our guest in on Shannon. On Shannon. Now, you might remember from a few days ago, we were talking about egg Shannon Kyo. Okay? So, Shannon on banjo, Shannon on fado stán, Shannon on guitar, agus rudí mar sin, and so on. So, it is playing. We're playing an instrument, okay? Ag immert would be playing a game, okay? So, on Shannon, do you play? On Shannon. Ní hennen? I don't. Or Shannon. On Shannon? Shannon? Ní Shannon. Okay. So, feicimid inis na urlaí ceol atá ag na páistí. Okay. So, an seo tá uisín, okay, tá sé ag Shannon, cad é sin, an druma, or na drumí, an bhá. So, Shannon, uisín, an druma. So, féic cáit, okay, Shannon, cáit, on piano. Shannon on crit. Okay. Shannon Paul on banjo. Shannon Rory cad sin on bowron. Shannon Una. Shannon Una on trumpa. Shannon Samar on guitar electric. Shannon Roisin on violin. Shannon Niamh on adóg stán, agus ní hennen Liam Aonrod. Tá sé ag canna. So, féic na ceistena. Let's look at the questions. Okay. So remember, we have on Shannon, Shannon, ní hennen. So iver a hain and iver a do, tá sí déinte agan. Okay? They are done. Tá sí déinte doing. They're done for us. Tá sí déinte. Or déinte hanna féin. They're done already. Hanna féin, already. Arénos. On Shannon Roisin on violin. So féic. Short Roisin, violin. So, Shannon Roisin on violin. Okay. Iverado on Shannon Rory on banjo. Well, sure Rory. On Shannon sé on banjo. Neil. So, ní hennen Rory on banjo. Okay, so na ceist eile on Shannon Niamh on adóg stán. Okay, on Shannon Niamh on adóg stán. Cábhfuil Niamh. Tá Niamh an seo agus féic. So Shannon Niamh on adóg stán. Do one more together. On Shannon Rory on bowron. Sure Rory. So Shannon Rory on bowron. Okay. So if you need to remember, guys, as well, back on well, actually you don't have your books, but I'll put a picture of this up as well. Okay. Is all their names. The ones we know so far. Oisin, Niamh, Rory, Roisin, Oisin agus Niamh, Rory agus Roisin, Liam, Rory agus Niamh. So if you need to remember their names, I'll put that up as well. Okay? So, Déné sin dom ledverdol agus bíag lá jas again. Slán go fóil.